Hey everybody, assume you are given two arrays and you are asked to find the intersection of those two arrays is something that we will try to solve as part of today's 100 days of DSA challenge. Basically here we are given two arrays. Our aim is to find the intersection of those two arrays. Intersection meaning we need to find the common elements in both the arrays and we need to return the values in the end. Let's assume these are the array of values that we have gotten, right? For simple understanding, what are the intersection of two arrays? 1 is common in both the arrays and 3 is common in both the arrays. Besides these two, there are no other values which are common. So the result list will be 1, 3 is something that you need to return. If at all, if you want to solve this problem in a brute force approach, right? What is the process that you will follow? You will need to iterate over the two arrays. Basically meaning one for loop for this first array. Inside that for loop, we need to run another for loop for iterating over the second array. Pick up the value from the first array, pick up the value from the second array, compare. If both of them are equal, what you will do is you will add it onto result list. Like that, you will do the process and ultimately we will be able to find the solution. But the time complexity of this will be order of n square. Now, the modification that we can do for finding the effective solution is with the help of binary searching technique. As part of that, what we will do is we will try to sort one of the array. It really doesn't matter whether it is a first array or second array. It really doesn't matter, but sort one of them. Now what you need to do is you need to iterate over the first array and then pick up that particular value, and then you need to search that value exists or not with the help of binary searching technique on the second array. So that will basically return a particular index where the value is present, right? If at all, if the binary searching technique that we are internally using, if it is returning -1, the value is not found. If it is returning any value from 0 till a valid index, then we know the value exists in this array. So ultimately we can simply store it into our result list. So that is a second technique for solving the problem. The time complexity of this will be order of n log n and the space complexity of this will be order of n. So that is a quick explanation of how exactly we solve this problem. If at all, if you want to understand thoroughly about all the scenarios that you might see, you can go to codingpal.org YouTube channel. There we have discussed it in 4 different programming languages.